Hi friends, let me show you the new car phone holder that I just received. It comes with a user manual, okay, and the different parts to put it together, okay. It comes with this cup holder. It comes with this cup part to fix it to the windshield, to any glass surface. It also comes with this accessory to put it in the air conditioning vent, okay? And this is the actual holder, okay? You can put it in both the windshield or the AC holder, okay? Okay, when you put it like that, you will be able to move it around and tighten this one so it won't move whenever you are ready to tighten it. And pressing this one will release the holder so you can put your phone and then tighten it, okay? So, well, I think it's a nice phone holder. We are going to try it. We're going to test it in our car and see how it looks. Perfect. Okay, friends, let me show you different ways of using this phone support. Of course, the first and more common one will be putting it, as you can see, this is a telescopic arm. First, you are able to put it in the dashboard like this, okay? And loose the phone holder, put your phone, and organize it as you want, okay? Something like that. That's one way of using it. Of course, the other way of using it is directly to the windshield. Any other, you can have it like this, even sideways. If you want the person that is traveling with you seeing it. Okay, it's really sticky. This also, you could use it like this, supporting your driving. Also, you could put it over here. This is a more traditional way of installing it over there. You can see. So you can basically put it anywhere you want in the dashboard or in the main car front, okay? Well, also, I want to show you that you can put it in the air vents, okay? So, as you can see, you can open it and close it to grip it to the air vent, okay? And I'm going to put it in the mounting accessory so you can see, okay? Well, okay. So we are going to put it in the air vent. You see, it fits and it feels like it has this back part that will keep the air vent really tight, okay? So we are going to tighten it. Okay, doesn't move anymore. And we are going to put the actual mount here, okay? Perfect. As you can see, we have the mount there. You put your phone and that's it, you're ready to go. You could even put it like this. This is a great position. As you can see, the air vents are still working. I'm still getting air out of them. And this way, even my phone will be fresh in the summer days. So I think this is a nice way to putting it in this car. Of course, you want to use the best option for your car. In this car, I think this is the best option for this, as it doesn't mess with your driving and it's kind of easy to see and to use it, okay? So, well, this car phone holder, it's a great option for all the possibilities that you have to use it, okay? So I really recommend it. Thank you.